Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove vertical axis value of chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with this chart. Now I remove vertical axis value of chart. Now you can see here are my chart and also a vertical axis value. Now right click this vertical axis value, then you can see here a delete option. There are another way to delete these things. Select this axis value of chart. Now click backspace or click delete on your keyboard. Now you can see I remove vertical axis value of chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.